Good morning, everybody. I think it's still morning. I'm just standing off the bridge at Eels on the Tyne River, and I'm going to go for a bike ride because I did work on the bike yesterday, fitting tyres and new brakes. So I'm just taking it out for a test ride. So this is where I am, Eels. I'll just flip the camera around so you can see the river. There's the Tyne River. That's flowing to Newcastle, and that way goes up to Alston. It's a nice spot here. You could actually put a tent up here if you wanted to. It's well hidden. Back here you can put a tent up. Oh, he fell over a blinking root. Yeah, look. You could stick a tent up here, look. What a good place to stick a tent, just here. Beautiful. Or you could sneak up behind those pine trees at the back. Then you'd be well hidden, no one would know you were there. I'm not going down there. It's too steep. So at the moment I'm just going to set up my camera stuff on the bike, and we'll head off for my day ride. Basically it's just test the bike out, make sure none of the nuts and bolts come loose. Very deep. I've jumped off here and I've never touched the bottom. That's how deep it is. Best time to come down here for a swim, if it's a dry summer and the water's low, is August, September, when the water's really warm. Right, I better go in. I brought my gimbal with me and I'm still walking around with my phone not on it. Anyway, I haven't got my selfie stick yet, so what I'm using is my DJI Osmo 2 handheld tripod. So I've got the camera mounted on that. So the camera is lower than it usually is, and it doesn't stick out to the side so much. So basically this is just a test ride, because yesterday I had to change the back tyre on the bike, and what hell was that? Was hell. The tyre wouldn't go back on the bead. I used 25 of those CO2 gas canisters, and it was the last one I had and it popped back on the bead. Usually it takes 3 or 4. I don't know what was wrong with the tyre, but it just didn't want to go on. I did make a video of it, then I started swearing and cursing, so I turned it off. I was getting hot and bothered and fed up. It took me 6 hours, double the time that it usually takes. So I did the tyre, and I put some new brake pads on the back. They needed changing, so it's had new brake pads and a new back tyre. Slippy. Yeah, that's a great swim hole in the summer, around about August, September. If you don't get a lot of rain, that water's lovely and warm. I've jumped off the bridge and I've never touched the bottom. That's how deep it is. Great swimming spot. It's very popular with the locals. So we're heading up Towles Bank and we turn off towards a place called the Yonterclough, across Whitfield, around towards Whitfield, then from there I think it's Nine Banks, Nenthead, then Alston. Bugs are out. We've got bugs. So this is Eels Village. Oh, just over a week or so ago, I put new variator rollers in, because the last ones I had were 9 grams. So I thought I'd try 9.5 grams. And what a difference it's made. Blinking marvellous. Oh no, there's a fire on top of the fell. Can you see the smoke? I'll zoom in on the editing. Got a bushfire. Truth, mate, there's a bushfire. Right, we got the hill. Holt Whistle is 7 miles. Yeah, the acceleration's better. The top speed's better. You have to be careful coming up here, because cars in the middle of the road. I didn't do a sound check. Oh, I'll be alright. Oh, isn't it beautiful to get out on a nice sunny day and it's warm? God, there's nothing like it. And there's no wind. It's a perfect day for a bike ride. There's my phone dinging away. Yeah, so basically, since I stripped the bike down yesterday and cleaned everything and re-greased everything, before I go back up to Scotland, I want to make sure nothing comes loose. So all the nuts, the bolts, I've marked with a red marker. So if they move, I'll know they've moved. So that's why I want to go out for this ride today, to just make sure nothing comes loose. Should be able to see Lumley Viaduct from here. Oh, there it is down there. You won't be able to see it, it's too far away. Oh, beautiful view from up here. Northern England's beautiful. Cumbria and Northumberland, Yorkshire. Beautiful. Now, let's see how many people we don't see on the way. So at the moment we passed one car. I'll keep a count. Now the Lake District's beautiful, but there's just too many people there for me. I don't like big crowds of people. It makes me uneasy. I return right here to Whitfield. Whitfield's 8 miles. Oh, they did a film here, didn't they? What was the film? Somebody will tell me. One of their houses down there was a film. Oh, I can't remember the name of it. I'll have to look it up. Quite a well-known film, I think. This is a lovely ride along here. Get right up in the moorland. Daffodils. It's always nice to see the daffodils. Just going past the Yonta Clough caravan site. I see the caravans there, look. Oh, they're busy. Surely, I think those are permanent caravans and people come up on the weekend because it's just 1 or 2 cars parked outside. Well, look at that. You see right over into Scotland. Well, Kielder Forest is dead in front of us. Right, we turn right here. Whitfield, 7 miles. This is an old mine here. It's been an old mine. I don't know what the name of it. Now these small roads are fantastic for small bikes. Ideal for small bikes. Here's a farmer. It's always nice to see a farmer in the morning. That's 2 farmers have waved at me today. You don't usually get farmers waving at people. I'm not saying farmers are miserable, but it's nice to see a farmer wave at you. More daffodils. Oh, look at the daffodils. Aren't they lovely? Yeah, I've run out of videos, that's why I'm out filming as well. Plus testing the bike. I haven't got any videos. So I thought I'd better get off my arse and do this. Ooh, a bit rough. Running my back tyre at 32 psi and the front 28, if anybody wants to know. Ooh, it's a bit bumpy around here. butcher, I think. No, I think it was a drug van. One of those home delivery vans that goes around deliver people's drugs. Oh, so nice to get out up here. I love going along here. I've been up here before. Long time ago, I think. It's been a while. I think the last time I came up here was in the car. I must remember to drink water today, because I always forget when I'm out riding. I've got a big bottle of water on the bike. Because that's why you get cramp. If you've been riding all day and you get cramp, it's because you haven't drank enough water. Gravel, slow down. I think the road gets a little bit better further along. Wow, look at the view. Absolutely lovely. I can smell smoke. Must be from that fire that's drifting over here. I'll just turn left here on the brow of this hill and show you the view. It's absolutely beautiful. I'll zoom in on the editing. Just show you the view. Look at that. Get past this post. Look at that far view. Stunning. Northumberland to the right. Cumbria to the left, straight ahead Kielder Forest, and beyond that Scotland. Ah, oh, it's beautiful. Nobody around apart from that person in the van. You can hear curlews. I can hear pheasant. Wow, gorgeous day. Right, we'll carry on. I'll be nattering away for ages. Whitfield, 3.5 miles. think that's three cars on the farm so far. Oh, it's beautiful. People don't know what they're missing not riding a bike. Whee! Ooh! Bumpy. I'll have to split this video up into two. It was going to be about an hour long. So it'll be part one, part two. Oh, this is so nice. Bike's running brilliantly. Shouldn't say things like that. Miles an hour. Burning rubber. Right, turn off here to Whitfield. Mile and a half. And we're going up that valley up there to my 1 o'clock. Takes you over to Nent Head. Ooh. Lovely ride out. If you want a short ride, it's really nice. Next time I stop, I need to check my nuts and my bolts. Make sure nothing's moved. 40 mile an hour, slow it down. Baby partridge. You see more when you're on a bike. You don't notice so much when you're in a car. Maybe it's because you're low down. Whitfield School. Back brake feels better now. It's bed in a bit. It was a bit spongy before, but now I can feel it grabbing. Takes a while for the brake shoes to wear into the disc. Yeah, I could have filled up a swear box quite quickly yesterday. I bet there would have been at least 200 quid in it. Gravel. Trouble with the small roads like this, you do get some gravelly bits. Now, which way am I going to go? Up the hill? Or up this way? I have to make a decision which way I'm going to go. There's two ways I can go. Wait for this traffic to go out the way. What I'll do, I'll end this video at the Fox and Pheasant. I think it's the Fox and Pheasant. Is it the Fox and Pheasant? No, it's not, is it? I can't remember. And I'll start another video. So this is end of part 1. It's not the Fox and Pheasant, it's the Elk's Head. Where did I get the Fox and Pheasant from? It's shut. It's shut. It's a beautiful church over there. If you ever want to go and have a look in there. The Fox and Pheasant. The Elk's Head. Beautiful in there. Lovely food. And a great place for walking. I could show you the bridge quickly before I end this video. Show you the bridge. Where the river is. I don't know if you'll be able to see over the edge. No, you're not going to see over the edge. See, if I had a blinking selfie stick, you could have had a look over the edge. I'll have to get another selfie stick. Right. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you later. Of course, I'm just going to start another video. Yep. Catch you all later. Tatty bye.